Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you a Royaltie Gem update. As you can tell, guys, I'm super excited because the updates that we've been getting, man, they are literally some game changers, all right? So, with that being said, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and also tick that bell icon to be notified so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them automatically right here on the channel. All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into today's content. All right, so first things first, as you can see up here, we have the ad pin. So there's two things I'm going to be talking about. Right, the first update, they both require me to go into the ad pin, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go into my actual ad as if I was actually going to set up an advertisement. So right now, this is one of the ads that I'm running. And as you can see, you can pretty much see who I'm targeting with this specific ad. But what I'm showing you here today is there are, as you can see, a couple of different things that have been added, since I've given you guys a Royaltie Gem update, previously. Now, what you can see for the ad pin location, and you see the advanced ad targeting. Now, I've went over the ad pin location, but there has been a slight enhancement to it, which I believe is an absolute game changer. All right, so first things first, we're going to go and talk a little bit about the advanced ad targeting. So now you have the ability to do detailed targeting. So if you want to target people who are within a specific age range, so it's 18 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, all the way up to 65 plus. Now, maybe you want to only target women. Well, now you have the ability to do that. Or if you want to target male, or if you want to target both, that'll be up to you. You now have the ability to do that with Royaltie. Okay, also they have the ad schedule. So if you want your ads to only run at a certain time of the day, boom, you can now do that, because that was something that came up, quite a bit in conversation with people who were interested. So I'm glad that Royaltie now added that addition. All right, so that's the detailed targeting. That's what you're able to do. Now, let's go to the ad pin location, guys. This right here is what got me super excited, because most of the things that have been added, these are things that have came up that we spoke to the owners about, and they actually just do. I don't want to say like they do what we tell them to do, but this is big. All right, this is definitely a game changer. All right, so let's go to the ad pin location. All right, so in the past, you were able to go up to 10 kilometers from where you drop your pin. So let me show you what I mean. All right, so this is where my pin is right now, right? And as you can see, I only have it going out 2 kilometers, but I could go all the way up to 10 if I wanted to, right? So it would be from your location. Now look at the update. As you can see, I don't have it because, like I said, this is fairly new, and I'm definitely going to change this, after after I'm done with this video. But this is huge, guys, huge. All right, so when I click on this, you'll see it has 500 kilometers. Okay, now I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to put this in so you can see how big of a space you're going to be able to take over. Now, before you had to drop it, let's go back here where you had to drop a pin and you would put a particular address in. But look at the difference. Now I can type in a whole state. So let's say I want to hit Florida, right? Boom. So I click on Florida, USA, and boom, look how much of Florida I can take up. Now let me go ahead and zoom out a little bit so you can see. All right, so check that out. Check that out, guys. That is a huge portion of Florida. Now that is only 500 kilometers of Florida, but let's say I want to take it all the way out to the maximum, which is 800 kilometers. Now let's go over to Google and show you how much 800 kilometers is. Okay, 800 km to miles. All right, so check it out, guys. 800 kilometers is just about 500 miles, right? Think about that. That's a small country in certain instances. So now it's not only you can choose a specific location, you can, I mean, a specific address or zip code or anything like that. Now you get to choose pretty much a whole state. Think about that. Now I know there are some states that may be, larger than this particular, 800 kilometers, but just think about it. I can target Florida and put it out to whatever amount of kilometers I want, because you don't have to go 800 kilometers. You could do 300 kilometers and take up that portion of Florida, or go all the way down to 50 kilometers. It's whatever your preference is. So just think about, what I've talked about so far in this update video. First off, it was what? The detailed targeting. So you get to choose the age, the gender, and the amount of hours you want your ad to be running. Because before, right, your ad would be going and it would just be constantly going. You had no way to control, okay, I want my ads to only show at this time. So that's powerful. All right, now let's go to hit cancel, and then like I said, add pin location, targeting a large area. This is huge, guys. It's huge. Just think about it. I've done a ton of update videos, and I'm going to continue to give you guys updates on what Royaltie is doing. But this is huge. It literally is huge, guys. And there's more and more to come. And this is basically how I see Royaltie. Okay. Now let me go back. Let me go to like basically like the home screen or something. All right. So I'll go to the dashboard. All right, so I'm not going to say that right now, so don't save. All right, so check this out, guys. So you're getting analytics, okay? You're getting a way to advertise your business online on over 1 million apps and websites in the world. You're getting landing pages. So now can you see where I'm going here? Like everything is included. Everything you would need to run your business is inside of this, and the fact that they just made that small enhancement, because really that's what it is, because we were only able to go up to 10 kilometers. Now it's 800 kilometers on top of the detailed targeting. This is huge, guys, and I just want to give you guys another update video. If this is something that sounds like you could definitely use it, the first link in the description is the link for you to get started. That's for you to lock arms with, with me and my team. Like I said, and also my phone number, my contact details is all down below. Just hit me up with a call or shoot me with a text, and let's talk about it. Let's talk about how we can scale up your business, or if you run into any issues getting started. Okay. So with that being said, hopefully you got something from this. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and let me know down below if you're ready to get going, and then we can chop it up. All right. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.